Hi guys, this morning I had a crash of one of my SSD drives and that was terrible. So I had to go to the market. I went to All IT Hypermarket, which is a big computer store and also electronics store all around Malaysia. And I got a couple of drives, SSDs. One was a Samsung T7 1 TB and the other one was Transcend 1 TB. Transcend is a slightly slower hard disk and so half the price. So anyway, I'm going to unpack and show you the Samsung T7 today. So it comes in this box, a nice little box, not very heavy. So it says Samsung Portable SSD T7. The speed is up to 1050 megabytes per second. So this is a 1 TB drive. So let's now open it. Oh, looks cute, very nice. I love the color. So quite light actually, and looks quite nice and beautiful. It has got a C port, USB-C. Looks good, nice. Let's see what's in this box. Well, this has got two cables. One is USB-C on both sides. The other one is the USB normal and the other USB-C, because my computer, my MacBook Air has got a C port. So I'll put back the normal wire and take out this C. Now it actually shows on my screen. Here you can see the screenshot of my part of the screenshot. This shows T7, and this is a 1 TB drive. This one is my 500 SSD. This is SanDisk, and this is a Samsung T7. By the way, this Samsung T7 comes with two applications, one for Windows and one for Mac. This is for setting up your hard drive. I hope this helps. See you. Bye bye.